so here's another review on this project. This is the Everyday Maxi by OTH Crochet Nook. I believe her real name is April, and she was someone that I always wanted to do a pattern from. This is her Instagram. I really didn't really know which pattern to do though. She has so many. I think she does, I'm trying to understand her schedule, but I want to say she does like a project a month. She designs a project a month, and then she posts it on her Instagram. No, she posts it on her Instagram and her website. And all her patterns are free patterns, so you just go to her website, print off the pattern, and do it. And that's what I did. On this project, I tried to do yarn substitution. So I looked at the the yarn she used, which was like Hawthorne something. She used something called Hawthorne DK from Lee Crochet, and from the videos that I saw on yarn substitution, you basically take that yarn and you make sure like the number of yards per gram or something are the same. However, when I watched a video later, it said that you also need to look at the materials. So I got the yards per gram, like between the yarn I used and that yarn, they're pretty much the same, but the material she used was something like wool, and I wanted to use a summery material, and honestly, I really wanted to use this yarn. But my gauge was totally off. Good thing about her patterns though, they're typically customizable, and she gives you just the concept of the pattern. So you can kind of look at her concept and work off of that. Sorry, it feels weird. But anyway, and that's really what I did. I knew how many rows of the kind of lacy texture she had and the rows of the double crochet that she had, and I just pretty much used her pattern for that, and it came out really, really nice. It's super flowy, it's super drapey. I love the drape on this yarn. Okay, so this yarn is Truboo by Lionbrand. So the reason I use this yarn is because one day I'm sitting in my office minding my business, and they post this picture of me. I freak out and I just get so excited, and I basically just say, you know, I love y'all, I want to support y'all. So you support with your dollar. So I go straight to their website and I buy 4 balls of Truboo from their website because, you know, I just wanted to support. And I thought 4 balls was all I needed because I thought that's what OTH Crochet Nook used, but she actually used more. So I had to get more yarn from Michael's. But anyways, I go to their website, buy their yarn. So then they hit me up later and they were just like, well, we want to give you some yarn support. And I was like, what? Well, I would have gotten the Truboo from that, but then I ended up getting another yarn that I'm going to use for a winter knit project. So they did hook me up with that, but I really just wanted to support them because they posted my picture and it got like 3,000 likes. And they were referring people to my videos, so all my videos, I think my video that day had 7 views. When they posted my video, I had like 1,300 views. I was just like, what the heck? That's still my most viewed video on my channel. But I was just so grateful. So yeah, I wanted to use Truboo yarn. I really love how it turned out. I also use this yarn because of a review by TL Yarn Crafts and Bag-O-Day Crochet. Bag-O-Day Crochet gave this yarn a 9 in terms of like a rating, a hook rating or whatever you want to call it. And TL Yarn Crafts, Tony, she gave it a 6, I believe. And hers is a snob yarn review. I'm not really a yarn snob. Granted, she's making me turn into a yarn snob, but I'm not a yarn snob yet. So when she gave it a 6, I was just like, well, that's more than half, so maybe it's okay. I would give it like a 7.5 or 8. It's really nice. There's nothing wrong with it. I think what Bag-O-Day Crochet said, she said it's just typical for a bamboo yarn to split, and this yarn splits on occasion, but not nearly as bad as I thought it would. It was very easy to work with. Actually, I'll give it like an 8.5 or a 9. It was really great. I love this yarn. And the only thing is, when I went to Michael's to go get more yarn, because I ended up using, not all of it, but I used up to 7 balls of yarn. I didn't use all of the 7th ball. But when I went to Michael's that last round to get more yarn, they had so many more colors, and I think I even saw on the Michael's website or on the Lionbrand website, they have this beautiful color called Scarlet, and it's like an orange, and I would have done that orange color had I seen it. But the gray color is nice. It's like super neutral. I really like how it styles and everything, so it's not bad, but had I known, if I were to do this all over again, I would have used that Scarlet color. But yeah, I do love this project. It's a free project, so if you want to do it yourself, go head over to her website, print everything off, or just stay on the website and crochet it up. But yeah, I love her patterns. I'll definitely be doing something else by her. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I wanted to say about this yarn. I think that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, leave them below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I don't know off the top of my head what the next project is, but you know, within a week or two, I'll be posting another video showing you what project I made. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.